My name is Matthew Letourneau. I'm a technical sales associate at 3D Printing Canada. I've been working here for about a year now. Our motivation to sponsoring an event like this was just to get more 3D printers out in the open and to start teaching people more about how to use 3D printers. I personally believe that 3D printing is it's going to be a big part of our upcoming life, and it's important to us to have people know how to use them and to know how to print things properly. Well, it's important to support students that are looking to get into CAD design because it's once again going to be a big part of our upcoming society, in that if you need something made, you can make it yourself, and you can produce parts yourself and take production into a home environment setting. Yeah, absolutely. Printers are becoming very reasonably priced and very user-friendly as well. They've taken a very hands-off approach in recent years, and the price for entry is very low. So if you're looking to buy a printer, many of the entry-level starting printers now are becoming quite easy to use and can produce very good parts. I think the best advice that I've been given personally, and I was actually thinking about this the other day, was to start learning CAD design, because I've been able to produce parts for problems, and I've been able to find solutions to problems in my own life that would have required much more expensive solutions otherwise.
Thank you so much.
Perfect. All right. Great. No worries.